What is the best way to clean ergonomic keyboards easily? Imagine your ergonomic keyboard as the heart of your workspace, helping you work comfortably every day. Keeping it clean is key to maintaining its performance and longevity. First, always unplug the keyboard before cleaning to stay safe. Turn it upside down and gently shake or tap to loosen any loose dust or crumbs. Using a can of compressed air is a great next step. Blow out debris from between the keys without pressing too hard on the switches or key mechanisms. Next, grab a soft, lint-free cloth or microfiber cloth. Slightly dampen it with isopropyl alcohol or a gentle cleaning solution that is safe for electronics. Wipe down the entire surface and each key carefully. Avoid harsh cleaners or abrasive materials that could damage the labels or surface of the keys. For tight spots and crevices, dip a cotton swab into the cleaning solution and gently clean around the edges and between the keys. If your ergonomic keyboard design allows and the keycaps are removable, take them off carefully. Before removing, take a quick photo of your keyboard layout so you can put everything back correctly. Soak the keycaps in warm water mixed with a little mild dish soap for about 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse them thoroughly and dry completely with a clean towel or air dry. While the keycaps soak, clean the base of the keyboard with compressed air and a small brush to remove dust and dirt around the switches. Use a cotton swab dipped in isopropyl alcohol for stubborn spots. Make sure everything is completely dry before reassembling. Regularly wiping down your ergonomic keyboard weekly helps prevent buildup, and doing a deeper clean every few months keeps it in top shape. Remember, ergonomic keyboards often have unique split, curved, or angled layouts, so handle them gently during cleaning to avoid damage. Taking these simple steps will keep your workspace comfortable and your keyboard functioning smoothly for a long time.